The man who replied to the wrong email. It all started with a simple mistake. Ethan, an overworked software engineer, was half asleep when he checked his emails at midnight. Among dozens of unread messages, one subject caught his eye. Urgent, final approval needed. Assuming it was work related, he opened it without thinking. The email was from a woman named Sophia Blackwell and contained a contract worth $5 million for the sale of an old mansion in Scotland. Confused but curious, Ethan chuckled and typed a quick reply. "Hey Sophia, wrong email, unless you're secretly giving me a mansion, haha." He hit send and forgot about it. The next morning, he woke up to a shocking response. "Ethan, I never make mistakes. If this email reached you, it was meant for you. You have 24 hours to accept or decline the offer. Choose wisely." His heart pounded. Was this a scam? A prank? He Googled Sophia Blackwell and his blood ran cold. She was a billionaire real estate mogul. And the mansion? It had been abandoned for over a century, rumored to be cursed. No one who stayed there for more than a night ever returned. But Ethan wasn't superstitious. A free mansion? This was insane. Without thinking twice, he replied, "I accept." That's when everything changed. His phone screen glitched. The power in his apartment flickered. And then a knock on the door. When he opened it, a black envelope lay on the ground, sealed with wax. Inside was a single note. "Welcome home, Ethan. We've been waiting. Would you have accepted the offer? Let me know in the comments." Che?